And then there is the valve that separates your pump from your turbo pump from your chamber, which would be about 1.5 to 2K, about 2K. So total would be about 5K, 5 to 6K.
Okay. 5 to 6K. Yeah. Hello?
Hi, I was wondering if you finished taking the notes.
Yes, I have to finish taking the notes. Yes, thank you.
Okay. So then we are now at manometers, I guess.
Yes.
So manometers are also correct. There's two manometers. One will be the process manometer. One will just be a chamber manometer for high pressure. And each of them is 2 units for 2.5. So that spend looks accurate. But manometers is also twice a year. So that total spend per year will be about 2.5K.
I see.
These are all, valves, manometers. These are all all at warranties 2 times, once in 2 years or more. But once in 2 years is a reasonable estimate, number. So everything in this category, ASC, heaters, gas, manometers, these are at warranty. These are mostly 2 years cadence.
So basically, yeah. So it's everything. I mean, even though, it's all divided by 2. Understood. Okay, that explains it. Should we?
So, overall, if you look at the cost of ownership warranty part, that is around, like you could say, 13 to 15K, like ballpark.
$13 to $15K.
Yeah.
Per year.
Yeah, if you have a year estimated, then it's not 15K contribution towards the cost of ownership.
Yes. Yeah.
So ballpark, you can think about it this way, that you have about 12 to 14K for your MTBC components. You have about 25K for your full clean components, and then you have about 13 to 15K for your cost of ownership components. So you have about 52 to 55K is our calculation of the total. Because I think that's the question, the sum of all the annual spend, and then we already went over the spend for nozzle, ceramic, etc. And then 60K you were saying, because some of the numbers we changed right now. So it's more, I think, 45 to 55K is a good range, I think, for these numbers.
That's understood. I'll definitely correct those. Yes, so I guess we can go to then changes in spend in the next 3 to 5 years.
So again, just wanted to clarify that are you interested in any specific kind of are you interested primarily with broadly understanding semiconductor space, or are you interested specifically in memory or logic kind of chips or any specific player in that market, or just broadly you want to understand the semiconductor spending? And right now, we have zoned down onto mostly plasma-based processes, plasma-based etchers and depositors. So is that just semiconductor plasma-based?
Yeah,